Good times here. Sure you are. I wonder what everyone eats. What we have for them. Some have potatoes. She'll go crazy for it. Who likes tuna and onion? Oh, you want a potato? Mr. Picky. Watch this. Now everybody wants. She said, what? We'll take it. Really, onions? Dude, it's tuna and onion. Not tuna. But you see how all the meows, the little guys, Snapple, say bye to that aluminum foil. We kind of recycle that. But the cat will probably get to it first. Here you go, guys. Love her, babies. Starting to rain. Thank you up. Ouch. That kind of hurts. There's more. I don't think they like the onions, right?